Evolution and historical development of legal profession in India. The legal profession in India didn't just appear. It evolved from a rigid colonial structure to a unified national profession. Mayor's Courts, 1726. The starting point where British-style legal practitioners were first recognized in the Presidency. Towns. The Regulating Act, 1773, established the Supreme Court at Calcutta. Only British barristers were allowed to practice initially. Legal Practitioners Act, 1879, brought some order but created a hierarchy of practitioners. Advocates, Vakils, Pleaders, Mukhtars, the Indian Bar Committee, 1923, and Bar Councils Act, 1926. These were the first steps towards self-regulation, though the High Courts still held ultimate power. The Advocates Act, 1961, this is your most important landmark. It abolished the different classes of practitioners and created a single class of advocates and the Unified Bar Council of India. 1. Mayor's Courts, 1726. This was the starting point of the legal profession in India. The British set up mayor's courts in presidency towns like Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras, where legal practitioners following British law were first recognized. 2. The Regulating Act, 1773. This act established the Supreme Court at Calcutta. In the beginning, only British barristers, trained in England, were allowed to practice, so Indians had very limited opportunities in the legal field. 3. Legal Practitioners Act, 1879. This act tried to organize the legal profession, but it created different categories of lawyers such as advocates, vakils, pleaders, and mukhtars. This led to a hierarchy and inequality among legal practitioners. 4. Indian Bar Committee, 1923, and Bar Councils Act, 1926. These reforms were important steps towards self-regulation of lawyers. Bar councils were formed, but the High Courts still had strong control over the legal profession. 5. Advocates Act, 1961. This is the most important law for the legal profession in India. It removed all different categories of lawyers and created a single class called advocates. It also established the Bar Council of India to regulate and manage the profession.